The snow from the heavens. The clouds are rolling in to mingle about together, swirling and unfurling, rising higher and higher. As the droplets start to kiss, connecting with one another, concentric air twirls them about, out of mind and out of sight. Only when each flake is ready will they come wafting slowly to fall. These perfected little emblems, symmetrical dimensions sent from the heavens. So many millions of miracles, how beautiful always. These reflecting little chronicles of winter's harsh, haunting gaze. Such a shame seeing them melt away by the dim lights reflected in May, to see them finally stop, only to meet again, coming to be one and the same. Rise up, ye little snowflakes, rise above those shooting stars, far up in the distant Milky Way, where you will surely shine like glass.